Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Bitcoin, we are trading at $17,726. 24-hour volume, we are up 33%, and market cap, we are up 4%. So heading over to our daily chart here, we can see that we had a breakout in an uptrend and retesting our 20 moving average here. And normally the 20 moving average is a trend setter here. If we are able to break above the 20 MA, then on a daily average, it is going to look more of a bullish market. However, we are going to be seeing a rejection of our 20 MA and coming down to retest our 23% of our fib, which was a area of resistance, and we are going to retest it here as an area of support. Really, we can see on our volume profile, we have a good area of supply and demand here, starting from 16.9 all the way down to 16.4, and this is a good chunk here where it is going to be treated as an area of support. And already today in today's candlestick, we've already seen the candlestick wick at the very bottom coming down to an area of the support here at $17,088. So even though we are considered as overbought here, we don't see that selling opportunity where we see this white line come down below the pink line here itself. So it didn't really initiate that selling opportunity. However, I am going to be taking a look at opportunities for long trades here because we do see the increase of the volume and an increase of this uptrend. But again, it is only on day one that we do see this increase of volume and the price itself breaks out from here. Again, we are going to come down and retest a 23% of our fib. So long if we are going to close above the 20 MA, then essentially we are anticipating that we are going to have a bigger of these histograms of our MACD indicator going into our second wave here. Now, going into immediate short term for 4 hours, we've already seen some selling pressure as the price for Bitcoin has already over exceeded the 78% of our fib. And we are going to come back down and retest the 17,500 range. Now, if I do scroll out, there really isn't an area of support here for the 78%. We do see one candlestick itself on November 8th coming down to this area. But really, if we take a look, there hasn't been a retest of the 78% to confirm if this is a good area of support. All we know right now is that the price itself is exceeding upwards. Volume has taken up as well, and we are seeing some heavy pressure as we are considered to be overbought here at 98%. But again, it hasn't triggered that sell opportunity because we don't see this white line, which is our K line, come below our D line itself, and that initiates that selling opportunity where we do see the price come down in the chart. But what we can factor in is retesting of the 78% to see if it is going to be an area of a hold. If not, if we take a look at realistically on a 4-hour time frame, we can see a few of our candlesticks here on December 8th coming down to 1717, or essentially revolving around our 61% of our fib. But if we take a look closer on our 2-hour time frame, again, we've already seen that heavy selling pressure from the outbreak that we saw in Bitcoin, and it did actually initiate that sell opportunity as high as 100% of our RSI. Price is coming down. We can see this red candlestick. Most importantly here, momentum itself is dying down. So this may be only the peak that we are getting. If I scroll out again, if we take a look at 78% of our fib, really relatively not a whole lot of support. Even if we look over here on November 10th, really again, not a whole lot of support here being held. If we take a look at another retest, we're mainly aiming towards the 38% of our fib coming down to December 8th. So there is a lot of retracements as the price itself is going to correct from this outburst. So we are looking roughly around the 78 at 17.7 or 17.4 at 61% of our fib, which is initially the golden number. So definitely let me know what you guys think down below. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button down for me and also subscribe as well. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye.